Hi guys, Apple i15 leaked. See here the all details. Apple will announce its new series of iPhone and Apple watches by the end of this year. Apple is likely to launch the much awaited iPhone 15 series sometimes in September 2023. If we go by previous launches, Apple is said to offer dynamic island with all the iPhone 15 variants. The iPhone 15 series will likely feature a punch hole display design similar to what we have seen on the older models. The ultra high end models in the iPhone 15 series could come with solid state volume and power buttons. It is being said that iPhone 15 display will be similar to the size of the iPhone 14 series 6.1 and 6.7 inches with ceramic sealed glass. One of the reports suggests that with iPhone 15 series, Apple might allow users to install alternative application stores on their iPhones as well as iPads. Apple is also expected to bring USB Type-C compatibility to the iPhone 15. Further, iPhone 15 Pro models are rumored to be powered by the A17 Bionic Chip, while the standard models could have Apple's A16 chip. As for the price range, the iPhone 15 is said to come with a starting price of $799. Apple is rumored to create a gap of $300 between standard and Pro models with 2023 iPhone. So friends, this is the Apple i15 video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for